Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project e-visa processing and follow-up system. Normally I have developed this project in Java, JSP and MySQL, and the version for the JDK I'm using is the JDK 1.8 and MySQL version is 5.6. And Tomcat version I am running this project on the Tomcat, and Tomcat version I'm using is the Tomcat version 8. But if you have Tomcat version 7 or Tomcat version 9, then you can also configure and run this project, right? So this is now also the MySQL version is 5.6, and for connecting the JSP and Java with MySQL, I'm using the Java MySQL connector, which you will get easily from the mysql.org website, right? So for front-end development, I'm using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Some of the jQuery library also have used like form validations and the date calendars integrations, and for many of the things I have used the jQuery plugins, right? So these all technology stacks I am using for developing this project, right? So let's start with the functionality go through. So the project title is e-visa processing and follow-up system. Normally I have developed this project for the mini project, and it's developed in Java JSP, right? It's a DBMS type of projects, right? So let's start with the functionality go through. So this is the home page of the project. All the content which is available in the home page is totally static. This is about us and it's about the project. This is the admin login. From here admin will be able to log in. There is only and only admin login. There is no customer login, there is no user login, there is only single admin user login, right? This is a contact us, right? This is a static contact us page, and I'm not saving the value of this contact us page anywhere into the database. Even I'm not sending any type of email and SMS from this page, right? So let me log in with admin. So once you log in with the admin, you will get the admin dashboard, right? So you can see there are a lot of menus available here, and it has been changed after the login because this is a session driven menu. If you log out, then those menu will not be displayed, but if you log in, this menu will be displayed because it's a session driven menu, right? So let me go through one by one, right? So once you click on the apply new visa, you need to fill all of the details here, right? The personal details, visa means visa applicant address, passport number, document, and travel. All of the information will be filled here, right? So once you fill the information, then it will be saved into the database, and after that you can see it also. One side, one communication, right? Means from here you can select the means applicant, and after that you can add the visa for that applicant, at visa issue date, number of days, travel date, return date, project name, working period, working place, and job description, other details, right? If it's a job visa, then the project name will be here. If there is other thing, then you can write NA here, right? So this all information you can put here, and for adding the visa, right? This is the visa application form, applicant form, right? And this is a you can say the visa entry form, right? This is a report. Here you can see applicant reports, right? And after that you can edit the applicant from here, right? You can see, you can edit it. This is a visa report from where you will be able to see all of the visa which has been issued, and once you click on the edit details, you will be able to see the details of that visa, right? So this is a change password from where you will be able to update your account password, and after updating the password you will be able to log in with that updated password, right? So let me go through the dashboard. So add application, one site, one communication module, right? Visa applicant module, and on one communication report, right? So there are two modules and two reports here, and with the change password and the login module, right? So this all I already explained you, right? So log out. Once you log out, then you can see the session has been destroyed and you are not able to access the internal pages, right? So these all functionalities I have developed inside this project e-visa processing and follow-up system. And as I told you earlier, this project has been developed in Java, JSP, and MySQL. It's a mini project. There is no customer login, there is no customer in registration. So admin will be able to log in, and after that admin will be able to perform each and every operations, right? So these all functionalities I have developed inside this project. If you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes. I will make this project more and better according to our requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest projects videos on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.